Today, I will teach you 10 different tricks, basic tricks on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy phone. There's a lot of things that iPhone cannot do and we can still do it. And I'm going to show it to you. Some of them you may know, some of them you may not know. So let's get started, see what you actually know. First of all, you see this website by Samsung Galaxy browser, not Chrome, not Firefox. This is Samsung Galaxy browser. Did you know there's actually two separate tricks that you might want to know? First of all, if you look at this type of passage, you can see there's blue letter. You can actually go like this, okay, you can see this, drag it on the side. You can make it a multi-screen, so two screens at the same time, or a multi-windows. What this do is, you're not going to lose whatever the page here. At the same time, it will give you another page what you actually want to see. So this is feature number one. Feature number two, if you press this AI, and then you go to summarize, they can summarize the whole website for you, just like that. If you do not have time to read the whole entire website, which is really, really long, you can ask the AI to summarize for you. And you can actually translate into other language if you want to do that. If your phone is run out of battery, you can go to power saving mode and you press that. Usually that's what you do. But if you actually hold this and you go all the way down and then you turn this on, limit apps and home screen. And now if you turn it on, you will see there's another page like this. And this page will tell you that, as I say, 54%, they can still give you 14 hours remaining estimate. And you only can use the bottom four, so you can edit whatever the app you want, edit this, and then you can do something else. Let's just say I want to do whatever, okay? And now this is the app that you can use, you can change. These are the apps that you cannot change. So you can still make calls, you can still do pictures, you can do WhatsApp, Instagram, anything, but these are the four apps that you only can do. So it's very limited, but the battery, it will last you for a long, long time. Let's just say if you have some, you can charge, now you just go back out, turn off power saving mode, and then that's it, it will be back to normal. Let's just customize the lock screen. So if you see this, if I keep tapping, the wallpaper keep changing. Because I asked the Samsung to do this for me. And you can see the clock, it changed by itself as well too, according whatever the color is. Pretty cool. So what can we do is, we're gonna go back in, we're gonna pull out widget. You can see wallpaper. Okay, we're gonna pull out a wallpaper. When you go to the wallpaper, this is what you can see. Now we're gonna change wallpaper. And then we're going to all the way down and you can see dynamic lock screen. You're going to go in there. Now when you go in there, you select whatever you want in here. So I already select whatever I want, dog, cat, animal, and food. So now when you go back outside, you select this already, right? So now when you see this, every time I unlock, you will see there's a different picture. And this is selected by Samsung, and you can see the clock change as well too, according to this picture. So this is calling. You can actually record a voice call. And now when you record the voice call, you want to access the voice call, you can go to the three dot, you go to the setting, and you can see record calls, okay? Anything that you've been recorded is been here, okay? You can see that. This is what you try to record your conversation with your friend. This is everything is right here. So every time when you press record on the side, on the right corner, they will tell them that this call is being recorded. So they will actually know too. And you can actually delete if it's older than 1 month. So you know there's Google app and there's Samsung app. If you press and hold, there's a lot of options. Missed call, search, create contact. If I go to gallery, you can see search gallery, recent, and favorite. Now, let's just say if you want one of them, it's quite important for you. you have to do is just hold it and drag it, and then that's it. Now if you drop this, this is become your shortcut widget on your home screen. Every time when you press this button, it will go to recent pictures. Let's just say I'm actually watching something on YouTube and you have a notification at the top, okay? Now you don't have to tap it, just hold it, drag it out, and mini screen or multi-screen. Sometimes I rather have a mini screen. So I just want to take a look what is inside. If I'm done, I can minimize the screen and then that's it. Okay, and it will not bother my watch time. Pretty cool. Anything you can see, drag it out. Or maybe this one doesn't drag. Yeah, drag it out, put in the middle, and that's it. At the same time, you can see my video is still playing while playing TikTok because there's a trick that you can actually do. You see, it doesn't stop, right? It keeps on playing. At the same time, it's playing my TikTok. Pretty cool because I set up a new trick. So in order to do that, you need to have a good lock. Once you go into the good lock, you want to go to Sound Assistant because that's considered sound. So we're going to search Sound Assistant. And now we will want to turn on that individual volume. Multi-sound, you can see that. So this one can only do one at a time. So when you tap this, you only can select, let's just say YouTube. Oh no, let's just say YouTube. Okay, so I type YouTube and only YouTube can do multi-voice, okay? And then now I select, now you can see window only YouTube to this, and now you can do the multi-sound, okay, when you're playing something else. So that app that you're playing already playing that sound, and plus the YouTube will play that sound too. So 2 or even 3 can play at the same time. So let's just go into editing pictures. So let's just say I have this picture here, it was just for fun, and now you press the pencil button. And now you go to the 3 circle, number 3. And did you know, so these are the filters, you can see the color is changing, right? However, did you know what is this plus? This plus means if you have any picture that you like the color, let's just say this is orange, this is purple, this is blue. If you like the color, they can actually match the color for you a little bit. You can see the purple is already applied to the picture, or blue. So they will analyze what the color, what's a mixture of the color, and they will put everything inside. So that's what this plus means. So you select whatever the picture you can see in the movies or any documentary. Now you take that color, the mixture of the color, and then they'll apply it on your own picture. So the final thing I would like to show you is add anything onto this picture. Add anything. So we're going to go to the pencil, and now we want to go to the AI right there. Go to sketch to image. Okay, now you draw anything. Let's just say I'm going to draw a heart. Now you press generate. Now this will turn into something else because it just drew something on the pictures. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so anything you want to draw on the top, and that's how it works. And that's pretty cool. Anything that you want. If you want to do more, then you just do more. So please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I hope this video helps you. 10 different tricks on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.